Let's now go to interviewing. Let's discuss choice of food eating habits. Diet influences our health in two main ways. First, through our choice of foods, and second, through our eating habits. First, choice of foods. Our choice of foods can become unbalanced in four main ways: eating too much cold food, eating too much hot food, eating too much greasy food, and not eating enough. Eating too much cold food. Cold food includes raw fruit, raw vegetables, and cold drinks. Patients are often surprised to be told that an excessive consumption of such foods might be detrimental, as this advice runs counter to the prevailing view of healthy eating. That is, eating lots of fruit and salads in order to secure the maximum intake of vitamins and minerals. It is true that raw foods are rich in vitamins and minerals, and a small consumption of such foods is not detrimental and indeed healthy. It becomes detrimental from the point of view of Chinese medicine. Mainstay of someone's diet is exclusively raw fruit and vegetables. Excessive consumption of cold foods, including cold drinks, injures the spleen and leads to internal cold in the body. This will cause a pale complexion, loose stools, tiredness, feeling cold, and abdominal pain. Eating too much hot food. Hot foods include red meat, especially lamb, beef, and game, spices, and alcohol. Excessive consumption of hot foods causes heat in the internal organs and will manifest with a red complexion, a feeling of heat, thirst, insomnia, mental restlessness, and a red tongue. Eating too much greasy food. Greasy foods include all dairy foods, bananas, and peanuts. In addition, this category includes foods cooked in animal fats and fried or deep fried foods. Sugar is also a greasy food. Greasy foods lead to the formation of dampness and or phlegm, and an excessive consumption of such foods is extremely common in Western countries, especially in the United States and Northern European countries. Not eating enough. In affluent countries, not eating enough is due to following a restrictive diet, often aimed at slimming, and also may result from following a vegetarian diet injudiciously, especially in women. Many young girls become vegetarian and not having a good knowledge of combining food. They tend to eat a lot of salads and cheese, which injures the spleen and lead to dampness. Such girls will tend to be pale and suffer from tiredness, digestive problems, loose stools, and menstrual problems. The tongue will be pale and the pulse choppy. Second, eating habits. Chinese medicine places the stress not only on the range of foods eaten, but also, and as important, on the way that we eat. We may eat a very balanced diet with exclusively organic foods, but if our eating habits are chaotic, this will lead to disease. Chinese medicine stresses the importance of routine and regularity in one's diet. It also stresses the importance of having a short break after eating at lunchtime. Unfortunately, most people who work full time have very irregular eating habits, which may include any of the following: eating in a hurry, eating standing up, eating at one's desk while working, or having business lunches, eating without routine, large business lunch one day followed by skipping lunch the next, and eating late in the evening. Such eating habits injures stomach qi initially and then stomach yin. One of the clearest signs of this, apart from digestive problems, is a tongue with a stomach crack or scattered stomach cracks and without coating. Thank you for your attention.